There's three things that make me better than other real estate brokers. Number one, I'm competitive. I like to win. I like to represent my clients fiercely and competitively, but I also like to find win-win solutions with other people in the transaction. Number two, I have a lot of experience. I've been the principal broker of one of the largest real estate brokerages in the state, so that experience really serves my clients well. And the last is market knowledge. I know the markets of Utah, whether it's Southern Utah or Moab, the Wasatch Front, or the Wasatch Back. You will be in good hands because I do know these real estate markets on a really local level. My name is Thomas Wright. I'm the principal broker of Summit Sotheby's International Realty. Utah has definitely been discovered. There's people moving here from really all over the world. And as they move here, Utah is changing. The demographics are changing. The people that are here are changing, and I embrace that. I think that's exciting. It's a great opportunity for everyone, including those of us that have been here our entire lives. When we brought the Sotheby's International Realty brand to Utah in 2008, I could have never predicted that Utah would be where it is now. People moving from all over the world, all across the country, they're all coming to Utah. And I valued the brand then, but I value it even more now. It is uniquely positioned to cater to the people that are moving here that are used to that luxury real estate experience in other markets. And Utah has evolved. The Utah real estate market is evolving to provide that to clients who are bringing that expectation with them from other locations. I love to keep up with local markets. It's my favorite thing to do, is to get on the MLS and to look at the comparables, to look at the activity, to study the market, to study the finishes and the quality and the architecture that people are after. And more importantly than all of that, knowing the lifestyle. How do you access the trails? How do you access the outdoors? What are the people in the neighborhood like? Knowing the lifestyle and being able to connect people to that so that they make a good decision is critical. When I got involved in real estate, I had a choice. Was I going to go into commercial real estate or residential? And they were both great choices. I chose residential because it was more intimate. It involved the aspects of people's lives. It was where they lived. It was where they had their babies. It was where they raised their kids, or they got married, or they brought their puppy home. And there's so much emotion for people in their homes, and I felt so attracted to that. I liked that, and I still love that. And that's why I'm so passionate about this business. And I wake up every day with a big smile on my face, more motivated and more energized to go out and help my clients than ever before. My grandpa shared with me when I was a little kid a one-page real estate purchase contract from the state of Utah. It's framed and it hangs on the wall of my office. Those contracts progressively get bigger and longer, and that's because things are more technical and more complicated. I wish it was still one page, but it's not, and you have to hire a real estate professional that understands all of the pages and all of the nuances so that you can be well represented and protected in a transaction. I don't know how to do anything halfway, and anyone that knows me knows that. You get my full time, my full attention, and all the skill that I have. I'll work tirelessly for you. I'll work 24/7, which I've done for 25 years, and I love doing it. You'll get the very best of me. You'll get my loyalty, you'll get my skill, and most importantly, you'll get the result that you want.